Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Ethereum. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past several days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Quick reminder, cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video, 20 hours from now, yeah, the chart is going to look different. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions that you can ask yourself. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart, whenever you are watching this. So the first thing I'm going to do is just, adjust this line here. Yeah, it still pertains, but it's not really relevant up there anymore. So in the spirit of not having clutter all over the place, the big level and very important level going forward is right here at 102. You can see over the time span of the past couple of days on two separate occasions, both there and there, the bears did try to press down below there, but to give full credit where credit's due, the bulls did a great job of holding strong, and that's definitely going to be the ideal situation that you want to see going forward, assuming, of course, you're bullish. So question number one, and we'll say you're watching this 20 hours from now. So 20 hours from now, you're watching the chart. Ask yourself, where's the price at relative to 102? If you are answering that question that the price is still above 102, that means that the bulls are still in control in the sense of trying to chip away and potentially form some sort of bottom. Now, it doesn't mean that a huge bounce is coming or anything like that, but it at least signals that, hey, the price is still just simply going sideways. And I get it. That may be, well, gee, say, Clay, that you're setting the bar kind of low. You're happy about simply the price going sideways. Well, let's keep things in context here. What's been going on? The price has been getting absolutely drilled. So yeah, sideways price movement, within this overarching context, I would argue is quite a good sign of strength. So like I said, if you are answering the question that the price is still above 102, that's a good sign. Now, if you're answering the question it's down below it, this is where little gut instincts and common sense comes into play. I mean, if you're watching it and it's, right there at 100, okay. Yes, technically speaking, it is below that level. Now, if you're watching it and it's down there at, let's say, 95, well, then that's telling you that, not only was this a faulty bottom here, there's just a false bottom, but now the bears are, maintaining control and getting that much more control. On the flip side of things, like I said, if the price is up above 102, then just simply, well, how far up above 102? If it's still just sitting right around here, well, that's fine. That's, like I said, that's still, suggesting that the bulls are trying to chip away at a bottom. But if you're answering the question, the price is up around 125, for example, well, that would tell you that not only has the price chipped away and built a bottom, but now the bulls are actually showing some strength via, creating a bounce. So moral of the story here, 102 is a very revealing level in terms of can the price continue to stay above it, or is this just, a temporary break on the bears' part before they resume the downwards push? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.